So this is Morten from Inkish. I have the pleasure of talking to Brian from BOBST. And you know, what I love the most about my job is the ever continuing learning journey. Because you tell me something, they're out of New Jersey, 100 people in the US, North America.
Oh, well over 100.
Well over 100.
Just 100 in the office. We've got about 400 in the US.
See, I now learned 2 times in a very short time.
There you go.
Brian, here at SuperCORR, the focus is obviously on corrugated.
Of course, yes.
I mean, is that an important portfolio for BOBST?
Very. Corrugated is not going away. Certainly, you know, you go back 20 years ago, it was all about high quality graphics and things like that because you want to buy products off the shelf. You needed that eye contact. Yeah. Today, so much e-commerce. Amazon gave a huge volume boost to our industry. So corrugated is a big part of our portfolio here in North America.
And I was just thinking that when you talk about that boost that the Amazon economy and e-commerce in general gave to the industry, what about the changes? Because I guess that you know, more SKUs, more products, the customer experience. I mean, I understand that maybe the graphics designs and the quality of print is on the level now. But I guess that there's still a lot of changes in how you track things, how you manage inventory, how you manage all those kind of things.
Absolutely. So at BOBST, I mean, we're big into digitalization. We're big into the IoT world. We're looking at it very closely. We're investing heavily in it.
I have seen BOBST Connect, so I know a little bit about it.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. One of the things that we have here is called Tool Link. We started off in the folding carton division, but now it's coming into the corrugated division. What it does, it has a chip inside of your cutting die, and it gives you the ability to track how many impressions, how many rotations that it's been done. So the next time that job comes up, it'll flag, so you may want to get it retooled or re-rubbered or whatever the case may be. So it's fantastic.
And that's super smart because, I mean, basically that, again, from a productivity perspective, increases the value of working with BOBST, I guess, right?
We want to do away with unexpected downtime. That's a big thing. And if you can predict it, if you have a system that's telling you this is what you need to do before you have the problem, it's all about running faster, more efficient, more uptime.
Another question is that I know that BOBST has always been, or at least for the past 10 years, been extremely focused on, let's say, sustainability agenda. Absolutely. Is that something also that you see more and more interest in the American market? Because I know that maybe the Europeans have been a little bit faster in adapting these kind of things, but what about in North America?
Without a doubt. I would say the European market is definitely ahead of us, but it's a big word, and we take it very seriously at BOBST. We have our own sustainability team. And we have parameters that we must meet with our equipment. So it is definitely a priority.
Yeah, okay. And is that also demand from, let's say, both the consumers and from your customers, or is it something that you drive?
It's something that we drive. I don't want to go as far as saying that the customers demand it from us, but they like to see that. They like to see that we care.
Okay, so it's a good KPI, basically.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And when you talk about the KPIs, because, I mean, when we're here at SuperCORR, and of course you see somebody who will say that they are competitors to BOBST. We can doubt it, right? But I mean, they say it, right?
No, we have good competition.
I know, I was just joking. But I was just thinking that when you look at the competition in the market and you see the trends in the market, I mean, there's a digitalization in general, speaking not just on digital print, but digitalization in everything. And then there is, of course, the actual production speed and changeover times and all the kind of, what are the major trends that you see in the market?
It's a trend that we've been pushing for a long time here in the United States, and because of e-commerce, and we have samples of it over here, it's inside-outside print. Because now your impact of what you purchased is when you open it up on your kitchen counter. It's not when you buy it at your retail store. So that impact of when you open up the box and that message that's going to be portrayed to you is something that's very exciting to us, and the ability to put that message in one pass on a rotary die cutter is phenomenal.
And what about, because I'm just wondering, because I think that our industry, unfortunately, have been sometimes a little bit like, okay, we see a trend, for example, like outside print, and then we can do it technology, but it is sometimes difficult to upsell it, so customers are willing to pay more for it. Is that something where you see that it's also a profitability opportunity for your customers, or are we just giving everything away?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, absolutely.
You know BOBST, right?
You're not giving anything away. That was the right answer, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
No, but the best part is our customers are driving it, because what they'll do is they'll do the inside print, and they'll do it free of charge for a few of their key customers, and now all of a sudden it creates a demand.
Okay, so
because now they're not going to go somewhere else at a lower price because they got
Yeah.
You know, it's
Okay, so
it's pulling.
Yeah, so it becomes
great.
like a marketing tool as well.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So here at SuperCORR, I guess that I mean, because what is also interesting in this industry, some of your competitors can be subcontractors or suppliers to you, and vice versa, right? So I guess that is both meeting friends and meeting customers. I guess that is like the core of SuperCORR, right?
You know, it sounds crazy and kind of cliche, but you know, this is a room full of friends.
Yeah.
I mean, we've known each other for 20 plus years.
Yeah.
We've got the next generation coming in. They're learning their counterparts, or the next generation of the independents coming in.
Yeah.
It's fun to see.
Yeah.
I used to be the young guy, now I'm the old guy.
I feel the same, by the way.
And I don't know how that happened so fast, but you know, it's great to see everyone in one place, customers, hearing what their plans are, what their objectives are moving forward, 12 months, 18 months, 2 years down the road. It's awesome.
So the trajectory for BOBST is great.
I'm sorry?
The trajectory for BOBST is great.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, I appreciate your time. Thank you.
That was fun.